Hi, today we're going to install ZSH and OH-MY-ZSH theme configuration for your ZSH shell. Okay, here I have a freshly installed uh, Debian Buster 10 is available. So for that, so by default you have a bash shell. So this is bash. This is a default shell which is available in bin bash. So we can install ZSH by using apt install. So before that, let's update the Debian repositories and the software. So now I can use apt install ZSH, press Y, clear screen, and I need to install ZSH by going to this website. I can use curl or wget. I just need to copy this and paste it over there. Before that, we need to make sure that either curl or wget is installed. So let's install apt install curl, and also we need a git because it is going to get all the configuration from the GitHub. So we need curl and git. Type Y, and once this is installed, we can go to this site and copy this line and go here and paste, and it is going to clone all the repositories, and it's going to ask you whether do you want to change your default shell to ZSH. Yes. Okay, now your ZSH is installed. Okay, so all the configurations are available in your .zshrc. So we can look at ZSH. Go there and check for our ZSHRC, and there is also file folder OH-MY-ZSH. Let's just get into OH-MY-ZSH and see what's available over there. So it has got themes, plugins, custom plugins, and tools and templates. And let's go back and check what's inside .zshrc. So for that we can use nano.zshrc. Oh, nano is not installed, so let's install nano. So now I can use nano to edit ZSHRC. So this is the file where all the configuration are there. The current theme is Robbie Russell, and there are lots of options you can go through and see what is best for you. Also the plugins, you can add plugins here by going to the website. So like for example, there is already a git is by default. Let's imagine you are working with Python, so you can just type Python there, and if you're working with Postgres SQL, so you just need to just type Postgres with a space. So now I can space Postgres space Python So these three plugins are installed, and also you can go to the themes folder and check which theme you like. Robbie Russell is by default. If you want any of these, you just need to choose the name of let's imagine you want Half-Life. Just copy Half-Life, come here and go to ZSH theme and type Half-Life. Okay, now Control O, enter, Control X, exit. So now if I just type ZSH, my theme will be Half-Life. So now I'm in Half-Life theme, but still this is not my default shell. To make that, so let's check what was the shell now. Right, okay, it is ZSH, but once you log out and log in, so it may not be ZSH. So for that you need to change the shell by using ZSH change shell -h # and which ZSH, and now you have ZSH as your basic default shell, and that's how you install ZSH and OH-MY-ZSH. Thank you.